Okay, so here's my fire extinguisher. What I want to talk to you folks about today is that aside from the fact that every boat's supposed to have fire extinguishers on it, the number of which depends on the size of your boat and so on, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the mounting options. And there are a few different ways that fire extinguishers get mounted, but if you have yours that is set up like mine, which is vertical, what you want to do every now and then is take this thing out and give it a good shake, because what happens is over time, this thing, as it's bouncing up and down, the compound in it compacts, and you don't want to have, after a period of time, a situation where you actually have a fire and then you go to discharge this thing and nothing comes out because it was so hard and compacted inside. Shouldn't be so much of an issue with newer fire extinguishers today. My boat's a little bit older and I've had this quite a while, and it still says green here, which means good, but don't be deceived by this. Make sure that you're doing a little bit of maintenance and shaking this thing, and you'll feel it too. You'll feel it actually move if it's been getting compacted in there, and then you can put that, go ahead and put that back. So just as important as other safety equipment there, you want to make sure you're properly maintaining your fire extinguisher.